Welcome to the Mythical Forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and I want to show you what we've been doing to keep the rabbits from eating the garden, and it seems to be working really good. This is alfalfa hay, a whole bale, and I've been getting them on sale for like 20 bucks. I guess because when they start to dry out a little bit, they'll sell them for cheaper. And you just cut this binder off, and then it's easier for you to pull it up, and look, it's not heavy at all. And then I'm going to take different pieces of this to different parts of the yard so that the rabbits will eat on it
and not eat the plants.
And the reason I have on gloves is because they already knew this was here. They've been climbing on top of this bale and pooping, and I didn't want to get salmonella from the rabbit poop. So, or Giardia, and
the Chronicles of Narnia.
Yeah, so that's why. So they already know this is here. So we're just gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna leave those two here. And then whatever they're not eating throughout the summer and throughout the year, I use this on top of my plants as a mulch.
Okay. So we're gonna take this.
I'm gonna take this, but I want to show them where I'm storing some of it too. Right over here, you guys. They climb up on top of this too and eat. So this is for if I'm going to use it for when we do the plants, when we replant everything, I'll use this as mulch. And I'll just pull it apart like that and spread it. Oh, you can't feel it, but this is warm. Because it was so compacted, it's starting to like compost itself. But this is, I just pull it apart and wrap it around the plants. So let's take this up to the other area of the garden and put it so the rabbits have somewhere to eat.
Okay, we're gonna pause it. Okay, so now we're at the top.
Okay, normally I would have some in this pool, but we're using all the pools. So I'm just gonna put a bale over here in the corner. And just like that. Let them eat on that. Pull it apart a little. But normally I've been putting them in the swimming pool. Had 2 swimming pools. And actually, this is very lightweight now. I'm just going to bring it over here and set it here for when we need it. And we can use it for the plants and the rabbits. This is where I used to have the pool. And I stuck a whole bunch right there they're still eating off of. So maybe I'll put a little fresh piece right there until I get another swimming pool. And the reason I had the swimming pool is I didn't want to ruin the artificial turf, and they would climb in the pool. I'm just going to put some fresh stuff right here. And then when I get another pool, probably at the end of season, they'll go on sale. Warm, it's just warm. You could make a bed and keep warm with that.
Warm on the
inside. See how living in a seriously,
house.
You put your hand in there, that's hot. Feel how hot it is.
Oh yeah, wow.
It's like an electric blanket.
And I take a roll on
you can put it
on the hay.
That's how you stay warm in the barn. Literally.
Wow.
It feels like an electric blanket.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, thumbs up. And if you're a subscriber, we thank you so much. And if you're not, we would love it if you would subscribe and like it. And if you are, I forgot what else.
Thank you.
Anyway, thank you no matter what. And I hope you have a great day. And if you're in bed watching this and you're about to go to sleep, we hope you have sweet dreams. And if you can't sleep, flip over to the sleep. We got some sleep videos in our playlist, and that might help you.
Thank you. Goodbye.